Good. How about you? I think your schedule is too hectic, I guess. I think your schedule is so much hectic, I guess. You're occupied, I guess. Yeah, yeah. How are you doing? All family and everything? Is everything good there? Yeah, here. Yeah, everything is fine here. Thanks for asking, Mohammed. Yeah. Excuse me. Can you see my screen? Is it visible properly? Yeah. So I think, yeah, shall we get started? So earlier we have discussed about Amazon Elastic File System. That is, we clearly understood that what is exactly EFS, what does, and so this all theory part we have seen, and we understood the concept of Amazon EFS, Elastic File System. This is general purpose. See this Elastic File System, simple, scalable, Elastic File System for general purpose workloads for use with AWS Cloud Services and on-premises resources. So the agenda of Amazon Elastic File System is to transfer the files in between the host to host, which means in between EC2 instances to EC2 instances. If you want to share the files, if you want to share the softwares, if you want to share anything, okay. So for example, in general, so if you want to share with me, how could you share? Through via WhatsApp or email, some etc. So, such kind of, right? But coming up to instances, we don't have that kind of resources. So instance, if instance want to and instance two want to talk, right? So in that case, we have to use Amazon Elastic File System is a service. So that is a main purpose, that is a main motto of this, okay, to talk to instances or to share the files, to share the files, that the file EFS name itself is indicating file system, that's it. It deals with the file sharing, that's it. Okay, so now let's today what we are gonna do is we gonna we are going to create and we are going to set up, we are going to install, and we're gonna see that how we have to share the files. Okay, so now let me open here. So this, can you see EFS installation and setup? Okay, so you see here. So, so let me, before going to this, let me See, I think you are see the screen, right? So here create a file system, right? Here you could see create file system, this one. Okay, so let me click on here. Name of the file system, any name, it's up to you. Okay, let me give a name. So better I'll follow some name, I'll follow some pattern according to this. So yeah, this is I can keep a server one. Okay, before going to this we have to do some more things. So first we need to create EC2 instance. Okay, first how we are creating, in the sense last class we have discussed that we have to do it in between two different instances, right? First point is this is instance 1, this is instance 2. Okay, like this. This is instance 1, this is instance 2. We have to attach EFS to this and this. Okay, that is what. So according to this, so you just try to understand this picture. Okay, so you just consider this box is instance 1 and this box is instance 2, and in the mediator in between, to connect this there is no any direct access. To connect this we have to use EFS, that's it. So let me create instance. Instance, first instance name is server 1. Okay, and I'm just keeping as usual all. So this server 1 key, server 1. All right, create a keypad. So I'm just going to give here two instances. If you give here numbers, that many instances will get created. So this here number of instances, I'm going to create same kind of configurations. Okay, I'm just here keeping up the numbers. If I keep 1000, you can able to create 1000 instances at a time. Okay, so here I want only two instances. That's the reason I just mentioned here two numbers. Okay, with the same specifications. If the specifications are common, you can keep here any number of. It's up to you according to the requirement. Okay, yeah. Then next, so these are all as usual. So I'm not changing anything. Just by default, I'm just creating here. I'm also choosing here. What is this? Amazon Linux. Okay, that's fine. Sudo mount. It's okay. All right. So I'm just taking default Amazon Linux machine. All right. Got created. Let me open here. Yeah, you can see here instances. Yeah, see this? I actually created only one instance, but you could able to see the two instances, right? Here. So with the same name, with the same name. So actually I have created only one instance, but you could able to see two instances here, correct? Why means we have used, we mentioned in the, is it? Oh, is it? Okay, let me share my screen. I think, let me, oh my goodness. I will stop sharing screen. Oh my goodness. Hey, thanks for letting me know, Mohammed. Yeah, thanks for letting me know this. You could see it right now. Are you able to see it?
Yeah, Yeah, we're in the AWS account
Thank you,
instance.
thank you, Mohammed. Thanks for letting me know this. This is what this kind of attention I need from you. This is what I need. You could see now, right? You see this, right?
Yeah, we're in the
Actually,
server.
yeah, we only created one. Okay, while we are creating, actually, we mentioned two numbers. That is the reason it is with the same specifications. It is showing two servers, right? With the name same name, right? So while you are creating EC2 instances, you mentioned two numbers. That is the reason it got created two instances. You got it? But only one time I
Yes.
have created. So now here you can change it name. You can make it
Hmm.
at two simple. That's it. So it is easy. It makes easy. Correct. All right. Let me refresh here. Yeah, it's getting start.
Loaded. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it is getting initializing. Let us wait. That's good. Okay, so it is going to start soon. Before that, what we have to do? So we are going to create EFS. Okay, so yes, according to my document, I just prepared this document for you. So always while you are going to practice in front of me, I know that. So individually you are not doing practice. So don't worry. So I'll help you out at the time. So how to create and all, right? That's good. Next. Yeah, that's fine. So this is so this you may astonish that what is it, where we get this command? Nothing. So you will get the command whenever while you are creating EFS. Okay, just now so far we did not create an EFS. Now we are going to create EFS. Okay, just click on here, create file system. Just click on here. Simply, you need to click on here. After that, you just have to give the name. Okay, what is the name? EFS1. I'm going to take the name as EFS1. Just I'm taking this random name. Okay, okay. This is default VPC and everything common. Okay, create a file system. You see this, correct? Are you able to see this? This is EFS. Okay, I have created EFS. Just you see this, the status is available. Let me click here. You see all the details, right? So next, if you click on here in this ID, you will see all details. Okay. So yeah. So just now we created EFS. Okay. Here next we have to attach. See here while you are attaching. So while you are attaching, you could see this, right, command. This command is also giving by what? AWS only. Just simply two clicks, one or two clicks, you just created this. Next, what we have to do after creating EFS1, just simply need to attach. How? I'll tell you. This EFS got created. You understood, right? This is this is actually server one. This is server two, and this is EFS. So we made it ready now. So once after this EFS need to be connected server one. This EFS need to be connected server two. This is our agenda. Okay. So I hope you understood. First, server 1 got created. Next, server 2 got created. After that, EFS we created. Just we made it ready. Now, what we have to do? We have to establish connection between this EFS and server 1. So this is what this if this attachment to be happen, you just need to create here. Just click on attach. That's it. Okay. So what we have to do first, so whatever this command is there, right? This command you will get here itself. When you click on here, you will get this command. Can you see here? That's it. Simple. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so for that I have to connect with this instance one. Okay, so let me go to instance. I'm just making it ready. This is server one, right? I need to connect here. Just connect it. Go to SSH clients. Okay, I'm going to open Mobile Extreme. This is one of the tool. So Mobile Extreme is also kind of tool. The same kind of operations. What does Git Bash do? Okay, you know Git Bash, right? The same kind of operations this Mobile Extreme also will do. Don't worry. So I have downloaded this. This is just paste here. Downloads. This is our one. All right. Right. Okay. Yeah. You can see here, right? So this is your server one. Okay. Just keep here rename. Yes, rename. This is server one. Server one. That's it. Next, I'm going to connect with the server 2 also. I just need to get ready. That's it. Okay. I just need to go here, instances. So yeah, let me go back to instances. I just connected with the server 1 now so far. Next, I'm going to connect with the server 2. Okay, connect. Copy this. You can use Git Bash also. Okay. I'm very much comfort this. That's why I'm using this. Okay, server 1. Excuse me. Next, font color I'll keep as green. Oh, background should be black. Alright. And foreground should be green. I think I have to change this as background color as black. Yep. I think this would be fine. Yeah, let me see this. This is server 2. This is server 2. Alright. Great. So these two we have connected. We just made it ready. Okay. Okay. Alright. That's great. So these two are ready now. So next, according to our document you see here. So first, sudo mkdirp mnd efs. So this directory we have to create it. Okay. Just we need to create here directory. Okay. So let me go back to here. Amazon EFS. All right. So yeah. So let me create here. So just simply go to the first server. In this first server, just nothing I'm doing, Mohammed. You know this mkdir means make a directory. Okay, which means mnt in this path. So this EFS1 file is creating, nothing else here we are doing. P means at a time. So if file inside a file, if there is a, if you want to create something, one folder inside a folder, so you just need to mention the P, that's it. Okay. So simply we are creating EFS file. That's it. Nothing else we are doing. Okay. Enter. Right. That's it. Okay. The same directory. I could able to see this. See. Cat. One second. CD. MNT. See this MNT. Right. EFS1. You see this, right? This we are inside the EFS1, which means nothing else. We just created only EFS1 file into this path. This is actually default path. You could able to see whenever you want, wherever you want. Okay. So this is what we have done. Okay. So just we created EFS1 a file. That's it. Oh, we done this in server 2. Oh, we did mistake. Let me go back one step. Okay. ls EFS1, right? I have done mistake. Let me delete this. Okay. Actually, I have to create here two. Mistakenly, I have created. Cannot remove. It's a direct. Okay. That's it. We deleted. Okay. Else nothing is there. That's fine. So now I'll create mkdir EFS2. Simple. ls. That's it. Two got created. Right. Next. Next, I have to create one. Right. So two got created already. So next I'll create in one. I'm just going in reverse path. That's it. Nothing else. Just I'm creating here. Already two got created in that second server. Now I'm going to create EFS1 because this is server 1, right? This is server 1. That is the reason we are creating EFS1. EFS1 is a file. Just folder. You can say directory. That's it. Simple. Enter. So in this path, let me go cat and EFS1. Nothing. It's a directory, right? See, yeah, nothing is there. Let me go back one step. So you see this EFS1 is there here. Okay. So far nothing we did. Just we created one file in one directory in two different servers. Okay, server 1 and server 2. Just we created one EFS file. That's it. Okay. So and now, so what we will do is just here once after creating two files, so just need to attach. Okay, what you need to attach? So according to here, this you see here, right? This is EFS. I'm repeating here. I just repeat. This is server 1, this is server 2, and this is EFS. In every server, we have created two folders. Okay, just made it ready. In two folders we have created. So you two folders, you can consider these two folders as a software, just for your imagine. Okay, if you keep something, the data should be shared, right? Okay. However, we are actually using EFS for file transformation. We have to keep the files inside this for servers, right? That is the reason I have created one directory. That is my motto. That's it. You understood? So now once after that we have to establish the connection. How we have to establish connection in the sense, so if you attach, so we have to attach, right? We have to attach here this EFS to here. If you want to attach, just simply click on attach here. I'll show you. This is attach. Just need to click on attach. So after that, so it is using, can you see here? Command. Copy this command and I want to replace this command here. Okay, I'll paste here. So according to our requirements, okay, so this path, this path is important. Okay, m sudo mount, we are actually mounting. What is the meaning of mounting? Attaching, which means, okay, so where is our file is there? EFS1. This is our path. Okay, so that is the reason, very much careful, be careful. So we have to use this path always. So let me copy this. You have to do modifications outside, and you just copy this and you paste somewhere outside in the server. Okay, this is what I'm going to do, just simply copying, nothing, whatever commands are whatever the commands we got, just did some modification, just I kept only path. Okay, I just mentioned the path. If you want, if you have any confusion, I will do it again. Okay, so let me go to cd mnt. Okay, EFS1, I guess, right? So pwd, whenever you type pwd, it will print working directory. That's it. You see this, this is our file. So that is the reason I mentioned here, this is our path. Actually by default it is by default it is showing some different EFS. Okay, so this is a command, this is still here, this is a command. Okay, but here this is a path. Which path? Whatever you path you created, your path you need to mention. By default actually you got EFS, but I don't want to use this. If I want to use this, it will get fail. Understand? So our path should be mentioned. What is our path? This is MNT and EFS1 is our path. So according to that only, so I have created. That's it, simple. So I'm going to copy this again and I'll paste here. Enter unknown file system type. Okay, that's fine. Let me mount -t EFS. Okay, so let me do it again. So because I got two here, two. I want to remove this. Okay, so you see this got can't find. Okay, that's fine. So not yet. Yeah, can't find. EFS tab. Okay, let me do it. Space. Oh, unknown EFS1. Okay, I'll do it in outside. You have to do this outside. Okay, let me take here sudo. Let me try again. Unknown EFS. Mm, let me find. Okay, okay, okay. EFS one, right? EFS one, correct? MLT EFS one. That's fine. So you see this. This is actually one slash we have. So, but we mentioned two slashes here. So everything you need to mind. Okay. Okay. So let me use this. Does not exist. Let me do modifications again. Yeah, can't find in etc directory. Okay, why it is asking in etc directory? That's fine. On AFS. Okay, let me try to use the client first. Okay, copy this. Yeah, copy this. I want to replace it again. Okay, paste here. So we have to copy our path, right? Copy this. Copy this simply. You have to remove this and you have to paste. Simple. Okay, so let me try to copy this. Control C. Just I did modification, nothing else. I just mentioned our path. Okay, so I'll paste here. Let us wait. I'm waiting for this response. Let's see. Is cancelled. I'm trying again. Yeah, it should get actually. It's still it is keeping me in wait. EFS1 is there already. Enter. So it is not responding. So it is if it is if this throw an error also that's fine, but it's not also throwing an error. So it is just keeping me in a hold. Let's see. Let me try again and again. Here in server 2, I'll try in server. Oh, got disconnected. Okay. I'm just trying in server 2. Here also same. This much time won't take this much time. Or is this why it is getting like this? No, it does not exist. That's fine. Unknown file system type EFS. Okay. Okay. 1 second. Let me do some troubleshooting. What is this error? Means EC2 instance does not have ESF mount helper. Okay. Or EFS utils. Okay. Got it, man. Got it. Yeah. Thank you. Yes, I have to install that this utils. Okay. So it is not actually recognizing. So like, yeah, I understood. So we have to keep here utils. Okay. This is actually a tool. We have to install this tool. Okay. Nothing else. So we are doing proper process. Okay, once it terminated, why keyboard interrupt? Okay, that's fine. Okay, now m update hyphen y. Let me update this. Just I'm updating the software or operating system. So this system is a bit slow today. All right. So next, so I'll open here, attach. this I have to copy the command, this utils. Okay, now I come here, paste. Yeah, see this? Now it's working. All right, that's good. Good sign. Next, if it's not respond, then um, we have to update it and you have to install utils. This is actually tool, installation tool. So now it will work. Now I'm sure it will work now. Mount point. Okay, yeah, failed. Mount attempt one of three. Okay, let me check timeout 15 seconds. Okay, so let me go and check here my server whether it is working fine or not. Instance. See this something initializing actually. So let me refresh the page. So these are technical issues. Okay, I'm not worrying anything. Okay, so that's fine. It's working fine now. Let me go here and I will use here mount point. Okay, mount point attempt one of three failed timeout. Okay, so go and task ChatGPT. Okay, all right, that's fine. I have done this many times. Okay, every time I'll face new issue. Okay, that's what it will be. Yeah, this kind of issues you will get in in work also. Yeah, so this kind of issues also you have to clear. Okay, this troubleshooting, this is all troubleshooting, these are all comes under troubleshooting. Let me check here this. Okay, this one, this is two. All right, next I'll try to connect now. No response yet. Failed mount attempt one of three failed due to timer out 15 seconds. Yeah, try next attempt before next attempt. Okay, again 2 by 3 failed due to timer after 15 seconds. Let me wait. If there is any technical glitches happen also you will get like this. We are going with the right flow, but let's see. Hello. Yes, Mohammed. Sorry, I got a call. I just got a call. That's it. Still, it is getting very little. Let me find out. So this is actually this issue. I'm just facing it first time. Okay, let me ask ChatGPT what is the issue. That message confirms Amazon EFS util helper is trying to, but install still can't reach EFS mount target. Okay, all right. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so I'll do one thing. So I have an idea. So let me open here. So let me come cancel this. All right. So again, I'll go to here. Yes, here more point. Okay, and I'll paste here EFS1. This one copy. I'll paste here. CD and EFS. This is dead easy, but today actually AWS is not supporting. This is not our fault. See, no response. I'm not getting any response from AWS still. I don't know. So what ChatGPT is telling here. Verify your region and endpoint. Okay. AP South 1. Yeah, obviously it is a AP South 1 only, right? So let me cross check here. AP South 1 only. Yeah, correct. Okay. AP South 1. Yeah, this is AP South 1. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Oh God, I understood, man. This is easy and this is silly issue. Oh my goodness, I understood. I very much clearly understood. Thanks for ChatGPT. Simple, nothing else. So here in this AWS, we have to open the ports. Okay. So let me come here. Instances. Okay. Go to networks. Okay, let me go one by one. So this is first server one networking. Okay, here in this you can find anywhere security. Yes, security group. Yeah, inbound rules. You have to add the rule here. Okay, NFS here. So this is simple. I forgot this actually. NFS. So this okay. So 2049 automatically it got selected 2049. You see. Next, anywhere. Now it will be work, I'm sure. Okay, next save the rule. Yeah, that's fine. So next I'll go for server 2. Yeah, this is server 2. Security, security groups, and here inbound rules. Add the rule. NFS, NFS. Yes, anywhere. That's fine. Or keep anywhere. Let me allow the traffic. Alright, save the rule. Oh, this was security group inbound roles. Okay, try. Already exist. Okay, 204N. Okay, that's fine. Let me cross check security groups. Okay, alright. Okay, go back one step. Okay, this is the one. Yeah, this is already exist. That's why it is showing. That's fine. Alright, next. Yeah. So after adding this, let me try. Next, come this, copy this. ChatGPT. See. Okay. EFS does not have a mount target AP South 1A. Oh, good. So EFS, this is mount target ARN and South 1A. This is fine actually. ARN, this is ARN. Okay, I'll paste here this one. correct. ARN is correct. Mumbai. Copy this. And this EC2 instance AWS here already it's configured. We are almost close. No problem. No problem. No problem. I'm just doing troubleshooting. So almost close. No problem. Okay. It's not hurry, right? Yeah, it's almost close. I'm unable to type anything here. Let me take a duplicate. It is trying to connect now. See this? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Just I'm waiting for this response. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Oh my goodness, how it is getting connected. Oh, fantastic. You see this? So it is connected now. Okay. So this is connected now, right? You see, it's perfectly connected. You see this? Successfully mounted. Yeah. Yeah, now it is connected actually. So according to this, so one side only, one side connection only we can able to finish today because time constraint, right? So let me do here copy and first one, MNT. Yes, this is done. Okay, so one time connection happened. Okay, yeah, done. Both done. Okay, let me try to. Excuse me. This is already mounted. Okay, so now I'll show you miracles. I'll show you some surprises. Okay. Yeah, that's great. So now everything done clearly. So there are actually some security groups issues happened. So I did not created I did not mention some security groups and policies. So that actually I attached. That's it. Okay. So next time whenever you are going to do this NFS connection, EFS connection, then next time we won't see this kind of errors. Okay. All right. CD MN CD MNT and EFS. This is our folder, right? Okay, I'll create mkdir Muhammad. Okay, this is one file. That's it. Okay, next I'll open cd mnt. Okay, ifs2 ls. Can you see Muhammad one? Muhammad, I have actually created in EFS1, but you could able to see that in EFS2 also, which means server 2. Example, I am going to create mkdir Noor. Okay, I like this name. Okay, Noor 1 for suppose from EFS2. Okay, EFS2. Okay, this is my file name. Okay, so I'm going to check in server 2 ls. Can you see this? Noor EFS2. So which means if I create a file here, it is also appearing in server 1 also. Got it? So this is actually connection establishing, which means you are able to share between two files, which means so this is again I'm going to show you very much clearer. So this is instances. This is separate server and this is separate server. This server 1 has its own responsibilities and server 2 has its own responsibilities. These are two different servers, but we have connected together here. I'm going to keep here mkdir india. See this? Can you see? From EFS2. Okay. See, you will see here ls. You see here? India. So I'm going to create USA from EFS1. So this is for identification. I'm just keeping random names, okay? Oh, sorry. MKDR, MKDIR, okay? That's it. So this is server 2. I'm jumping into server 2 ls. You see this, right? USC EFS1. You got it? So this is how we can able to share the files. This is how we can able to share the files. Got it? Which means we established, actually we have created EFS1. I'm sorry. We have created this server 1. We have created server 2. Here in our context, server 1 means EC2 instance 1. Server 2 means EC2 instance 2. Okay. And also we have created EFS, Elastic File System. Okay. After creating it in instance 1, we have created one folder. Okay, that is EFS1 folder. Here in this EFS2 folder we created. Okay, and also we enabled security groups. You understand? We enabled security groups. Okay, that is where we got actually errors and some policies also. So they actually we have created some policies also. So that is the reason we got it little late. Okay. So after that, after enabling NFS security groups, you have to enable this. So after that, we got connection got established. The same way I have done with EFS2, which means this instance 2, EFS2 instance 2, the same connection established. After creating servers, we have established connection. After that, what I just created some files inside EFS. EFS1 only, which means instance 1. If I create any file here in EFS1, that is instance 1, you can able to see instance 2 also. If you create any files here, you can able to see EFS1 also. EFS1 in the sense instance 1. If you keep any files, any softwares, any data, if you want to see in server 2 or instance 2, so we have to establish this connection. Through EFS only it is possible. Got it? Through EFS, through EFS only, this is what we have done. This is not that much difficult actually, due to some reasons, some technical reasons, technical glitches, it happened. It took this much time. Okay, next time it won't happen like this. Okay, don't worry, I will make proper document for you and I'll share with you. All right, this is fantastic. Actually, this won't take this, it won't take this much time for next time. All right, this dead easy, this is very dead easy. If you are um, if you would have connected very well with this security groups, you would have set up if you set up properly. Okay, uh, then it is easy for you to make it. You can do it in 1 to, I think, 5 seconds, 5 minutes, that's it. Not much, it won't take that much time to set up all these things actually. But thing is, actually, we have got some technical glitches just because of security groups and or privacy policy. I'm sorry, policies, IAM policies and all. That's okay. Don't keep all stuff in mind. So next time we are going to set up EFS installation and setup in your servers. Okay, in your machine. Okay, you are going to create instance 1 and instance 2, and we are going to create EFS, and we have to enable security groups. After that, the connection established must be happen. After that, you can able to share the files in between you and this instance 1 and instance 2. That's it. That's what we have done. Example, I'll create mkdir, or I'll keep something. Okay, va Lokesh or LKCloudTech. I don't want to use my name. Like LK Cloud Tech. This is what I'm going to create. Hello Mohammed. This hello Mohammed and USA people. Today in India, we are celebrating Diwali. Okay, happy Diwali to all people across the globe. So this is what content. Don't focus on the content. Just something which I got in my mind. I just kept which I got in mind. Okay. So let me save this. Okay. See this. What is this file name? LKCloudTech, right? Where we have created in EFS2, right? So let me check here. ls. Oh, so let me refresh. So it is disconnecting. Sudo su hyphen. Let me go to path cd. I mean that path and EFS1 ls. Can you see this? LK Cloud Tech, right? I just want to show you this content. The same content you can able to see here. Cat LK Cloud Tech. You see this? Hello, Mohammed and USA people. Today in India, we are celebrating Diwali. Happy Diwali to all people across the globe. See, this is what content same we kept in the server too, right? The same appeared. That is how we can able to share the files, share the content, share the softwares. So between two different servers, two different hosts, two different instances. You understood? So this is what EFS. That's it. EFS completely done. Nothing else. Got it? This we are going to set up tomorrow by you. Okay. So thanks for your patience, thanks for your time, and you are learning very much, very high skill. Okay, this is high level skill. Okay, I definitely will hope one fine day you can achieve. I'm sure. Please do practice, please do practice. Okay, I'll always support you, man, entire lifetime. You don't worry. So you got a good friend, don't worry. So you are in safe hands. All right. Thank you, Mohammed. Thanks for your time. So see you tomorrow. Catch you. So let us how much if it is not that much frequent to connect, if you don't have that much time to connect frequently, let's take a little gap. No problem at all. Always I'll help you out. But max most probably let's at least try to connect in possible days. All right. Thank you, Mohammed. Thanks for your time.